Today, we have a special story for you. A story about friendship, trust, and the promises we make. This story might remind you of something that happened in your life. So, listen closely, and let's begin. Chapter 1. Best Friends. Mia and Olivia had been best friends since they were little. They did everything together. One sunny afternoon, Mia and Olivia sat on the swings at the park. They laughed and talked about their favorite movies. Then, Mia stopped swinging and looked serious. "Olivia," she whispered, looking around to make sure no one was listening. "I have a secret. You have to promise me you won't tell anyone." Olivia's eyes grew wide with curiosity. "I promise," she said quickly. Mia hesitated for a second, then leaned in and whispered her secret into Olivia's ear. Olivia's eyes widened. "Wow, that's really big. But don't worry, Mia. Your secret is safe with me." Mia smiled and felt happy. Best friends always keep secrets, right? Chapter 2. The Secret is Out. The next day at school, Mia noticed something strange. People were whispering and looking at her. Some of them laughed. Mia's heart started to race. Something was wrong. Then she heard a girl in the hallway say, "Did you hear Mia's secret?" "Olivia told us." Mia stopped walking. Her face turned red. "No, this can't be happening," she thought. She turned and saw Olivia talking to some other girls. Olivia looked nervous. She had told the secret. Mia's eyes filled with tears. She turned and ran away. Chapter 3. Feeling Hurt. Mia sat alone under a big tree in the park. She felt sad and betrayed. She thought about the secret. She trusted Olivia. She believed Olivia would keep her promise. Now the whole school knew. She wiped her tears away when she heard footsteps. It was Olivia. "Mia." Olivia's voice was soft. Mia didn't say anything. "I didn't mean to," Olivia said. "It just slipped out. I wasn't thinking. I am really, really sorry." Mia finally looked up. Her eyes were full of hurt. "Trust isn't something you can just take back, Olivia," she said. "You broke it." Olivia felt a lump in her throat. She had messed up. "Can I do anything to fix it?" she asked. Mia sighed. "I don't know. Trust is easy to break, but hard to fix." Chapter 4. Grandmother's Advice. That night, Mia went to visit her grandmother. She sat on the couch, feeling sad. Her grandmother noticed. "Mia, what's wrong?" she asked. Mia sighed. "Olivia told my secret. She promised not to, but she did. I don't know if I can ever trust her again." Her grandmother nodded. "I understand, sweetheart. Trust is like a piece of paper. Once you crumple it, it's never the same again." Mia thought about that. "But people make mistakes," her grandmother continued. "If Olivia is really sorry and tries to fix it, maybe she deserves a second chance." Mia looked down. "But how do I know she won't do it again?" Her grandmother smiled. "Actions speak louder than words. If she truly wants your trust back, she will show you with her actions, not just words." Mia nodded slowly. Chapter 5. Proving Friendship. For the next few days, Olivia tried to show Mia she was sorry. She helped Mia with homework, defended her when other kids whispered, and never shared anyone's secrets again. One day, as Mia was walking past Olivia, she stopped. "I see you're trying," Mia said softly. "Maybe I can trust you again, but it will take time." Olivia nodded, her heart full of hope. "I understand," she said. "I'll wait. Because a real friend keeps their promises." Mia gave a small smile. She wasn't ready yet, but maybe, just maybe, they could fix their friendship. Chapter 6. A stronger friendship. A few weeks later, Mia and Olivia sat under their favorite tree. The sun was setting, painting the sky in soft pink and orange. Olivia took a deep breath. Mia, I want you to know I will never break a promise again. I learned my lesson. Mia nodded. Trust is important, Olivia. It's not something we should break. I know, Olivia whispered. Mia took a deep breath and smiled. I think we can be best friends again, but let's always be honest with each other. Olivia grinned. Agreed. And from that day on, their friendship was even stronger. Olivia had learned that trust is precious, and once broken, it takes time and effort to fix. But in the end, true friends always find their way back to each other. Moral of the story: trust is easy to break but hard to rebuild. A true friend respects secrets and keeps promises. Saying sorry is not enough. Actions show real change. Mistakes happen, but true friends learn and grow. Great job, everyone. You just listened to the expanded story, The Secret Keeper. What do you think? Have you ever had a moment like Mia and Olivia's? Let us know in the comments. But don't go yet. Now, let's learn some new words to help you speak English better and understand more of what you read and hear. Vocabulary from The Secret Keeper secret. Something private that you don't want others to know. Example: Mia trusted Olivia with her secret. Promise: a strong agreement to do or not do something. Example: Olivia made a promise to keep Mia's secret. Betray: to break someone's trust. Example: Mia felt betrayed when Olivia shared her secret. Regret: feeling bad about something you did. Example: Olivia regretted breaking her promise. Trust: believing someone will do the right thing. Example: Mia lost her trust in Olivia after the secret was shared. Rebuild: to fix something that was broken. Example: Olivia worked hard to rebuild Mia's trust. Honest: always telling the truth. Example: a good friend is always honest. Distance: to stay away from someone or something. Example: Mia kept her distance from Olivia for a while. Precious: very valuable or important. Example: trust is precious and should not be broken. Friendship: a relationship between friends. Example: true friendship is based on trust and respect. Gossip: talking about other people's private matters. Example: Olivia should have avoided gossiping about Mia's secret. Apology: saying sorry for something you did wrong. Example: Olivia gave Mia a sincere apology. Forgive: to stop being angry at someone who hurt you. Example: Mia was not ready to forgive Olivia yet. Embarrassed: feeling shy or ashamed. Example: Mia felt embarrassed when others knew her secret. Whisper: to speak very softly so others can't hear. Example: Mia whispered her secret to Olivia. Tears: drops of water from your eyes when you cry. Example: Mia's eyes filled with tears when she heard her secret was out. Hesitate: to pause before doing something because you feel unsure. Example: Mia hesitated before telling Olivia her secret. Defend: to protect someone from being hurt. Example: Olivia tried to defend Mia when others talked about her. Prove: to show that something is true. Example: Olivia had to prove she could be a good friend again. Lesson: something you learn from an experience. Example: Olivia learned an important lesson about trust. Great job, everyone. Now let's listen to the story again. Try to understand more and read along. The more you listen, the more you learn. If you like the story and want more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.